Welcome to the Visual Symphony expedition into the extraordinary ways animals perceive and interact with the world. In the moments ahead, we'll unravel the secrets of diverse sensory landscapes across the animal kingdom. Our initial destination leads us to the skies, where birds, with their enchanting avian vision, reveal a world painted in ultraviolet hues. Unlike our limited color spectrum, birds employ UV light patterns on feathers to navigate, court, and identify potential threats. Let's plunge into the ocean depths, where marine creatures employ a different kind of echolocation. Dolphins, with their advanced biological sonar, emit clicks to navigate the vast expanses of the underwater realm, creating a mental map of their surroundings. Now, shift your focus to the intricate world of insects. Honeybees, the maestros of color perception, discern a spectrum beyond human comprehension. This ability aids them in locating nectar-rich flowers and communicating within their hive through intricate dances. Our journey into the sensory wonders wouldn't be complete without a nocturnal touch. Bats, akin to dolphins, navigate through the night with unparalleled precision using echolocation. Their ultrasonic calls unveil a symphony of echoes, guiding them through the inky darkness. Venture into the realm of butterflies, where their compound eyes offer a mosaic view of the world. Thousands of lenses enable them to detect movement and find potential mates, revealing a kaleidoscopic perspective that eludes the human eye. In the feline kingdom, cats showcase exceptional low-light vision. Slit-shaped pupils and the reflective tapetum lucidum enhance their ability to prowl in near darkness, a skill honed through evolution for hunting and survival. Let's soar with the raptors, where eagles boast high-resolution vision to spot prey from astonishing heights. Their keen eyesight is a testament to the precision of nature's craftsmanship. Enter the rainforests, where chameleons captivate with their unique adaptation, eyes that move independently. This 360-degree view without head movement aids in spotting predators and prey alike. Journey into the domestic realm, where dogs, our loyal companions, experience the world through a remarkable sense of smell. A complex olfactory system makes them exceptional trackers and steadfast friends. Dive into the microscopic world, where bioluminescence illuminates the dark. Fireflies use their radiant light to communicate, creating a mesmerizing display that adds enchantment to the natural world. As our expedition concludes, take a moment to acknowledge the intricate sensory symphony beyond our human perception. The world is a tapestry of colors, sounds, and scents, each thread intricately woven for survival and adaptation.